All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about where you can get your Tesla tires changed. First option, Tesla Service Centers. Tesla's official service centers are your best bet for tire replacements or rotations. They're equipped with the tools and expertise to handle Tesla's unique requirements, like proper jack points and tire pressure specifications. Next, mobile service technicians. If you can't make it to a service center, Tesla's mobile service can come to you. They can replace or repair tires right in your driveway, making it super convenient. Third option, Tesla approved tire shops. Tesla provides a list of authorized tire shops that understand the specific needs of Tesla vehicles. Check the Tesla app or website to find one near you. Lastly, if you're in a pinch, local tire shops can handle basic tire changes, but make sure they're familiar with Tesla vehicles. For example, they'll need to know how to properly lift the car to avoid battery damage. So whether you go with Tesla's own services or a trusted local shop, you've got plenty of options to keep your Tesla rolling smoothly. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.